In the understanding quadrilaterals, sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. When we doing sum, it is very most important. Okay, sum of the measures of the exterior angles, not interior. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. So sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, now we see exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Here given here are some figures. First one, this one. Second, quadrilateral. Third, not touching the figure, that is circle, two circle. Star. Here 5, closed curve, but 6, this is also closed curve. 7, 8, here not touching. Okay, classify each of them on the basis of the following. Here simple curve, simple curve is, this is also a simple curve, so 1. This is also simple curve. 2, not touching, so it's not a curve, closed curve. This is also not touching. If it is this only closed curve, but here not closed, so next 5th, this is closed curve. Next this also 7, this not closed curve. Simple closed curve, same will become 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Here what is polygon? What is polygon? Here this is quadrilateral. Here also we can say polygon 1 and 2, but this is not a polygon. Okay. So 1 and 2 is a polygon. Convex polygon. Convex means angles are acute inside. Angles are acute. Acute means 90 or 90 minus. Okay, 90 minus. Convex means this one acute. So 2. This one obtuse. So obtuse means 1. Concave polygon. Concave polygon means obtuse angle having, and convex means acute angle. So this one, these are all not polygon. How many diagonals does each of the following have? A convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means, already we have seen this is the quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. How many diagonals? There are only one diagonal. Okay, there are only one diagonal, and we can draw this also. We can draw this also. So 1 and 2 is the two diagonal. In the quadrilateral there are two diagonals. Okay, two diagonals we can draw. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means, already I have told, 6 sides. 6 sides. Here 6 sides means here we can draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another one, 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, here another one. So there are 9 diagonals. So 9 diagonals. In triangle we can draw not diagonal. Okay, so no diagonal. No diagonal can draw. So 0 diagonals. Okay. Next is third sum. Here what is the sum of the measures of the angle of a convex quadrilateral? I have told you know the sum of the measures of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360. So exterior angles means always for the polygon 360 degree. Here sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means here there are two triangles. One triangle sum of the angles is 180 degree. Sum of the angles is 180 degree. There are two triangles in the quadrilateral. So two triangles. 2 into 180 360. So for the quadrilateral sum of the angle is 360. Okay. Sum of the angle is sum of the angles of a convex. Is 360 degree. Here, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Convex, if it is not convex, this property will hold. Okay. So, yes, this property will hold if the quadrilateral is not convex. Okay. Next, question number 4. Here, question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. Here, figure triangle, there are 3 sides. Already we know that sum of the angles of interior angles is for the triangle 180. Here in the quadrilateral we can divide this and we can make 2 triangles. So 2 into 180, that is there are 4 sides. There are 4 sides. 4 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. We can, so 2 into 180 we will get. Here for the 5 sides we can draw triangle. We can draw diagonal and make 3 triangles. 3 triangles means 3 into 180. We know that triangle for interior sum of the angle is 180. Here 3 triangle means 3 into 180. Here 5 sides we are having here in this diagram. So 5 minus 2 is 3. That is 3 into 180. Here in the 6 sides we can draw diagonals and get 4 triangles. 4 triangles is 4 into 180. That is 6 sides minus 2. 6 sides minus 2 into 180. So there are how many sides? Minus 2 into 180. That is the sum of the angles. That is the sum of the angles. Okay. In the given sum for 7 sides. For 7 sides, angle sum, we have to find angle sum. Okay. Find the angle sum of the convex polygon with number of sides. That is 7 sides. Angle sum equal to, here 5 sides means 5 minus 2. 7 sides means 7 minus 2 into 180 into 180. That is 5 into 180. 180 into 5, 0, 8 5s are 40. that is 900. That's equal to 900 degree. Okay. B, that is 8 sides. 8 sides means angle sum 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. That's equal to 6 into 180 degree. 180 into 6, 0, 8 6 are 48, 1 0. That's equal to 180 degree, 1080 degree. C sum 10 sides, angle sum of the angles or angle sum 10 minus 2 into 180, that is 8 into 180, 180 into 8, 0, 64, 8 8s are 8 ones are 8 plus 6, 14, 1440. D, suppose n sides, we don't know, there are so many polygons, angle sum for n side n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is the value. Okay. Question 5. In the question number 5, what is a regular polygon? State the name of the regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Regular polygon means equilateral and equiangular. That is called regular polygon. A polygon which is both equilateral, that is having same sides, and equilateral and equiangular, that is equiangular means same angle, is called a polygon, regular polygon. Okay. Here state the name of the regular polygon of 3 sides. 3 sides means triangle. 3 sides means triangle. Having same sides means equilateral triangle. Having 3 sides, that is equilateral here. 4 sides. 4 sides means that is square, rectangle or parallelogram, quadrilateral. But having same sides, having equal sides means only square. Only square is the having same sides. Okay. So this is 4 sides, that is square. First sum, second sum and third sum. Here 6 sides, that is hexagon. Hexagon already given sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Having same sides. Okay. That is hexagon. That is regular hexagon. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Same sides. Equal sides. That is regular hexagon. Question 6. Here, sixth sum, find the angle measure x in the following figures. A sum, here quadrilateral given 50 degree, 130 degree and 120 degree. 120 degree, here x. We have to find this value. We have to find this value. We know that angle sum is for the quadrilateral is 360 degree. 360 degree. When we are adding these angle sum property with angle sum property of a quadrilateral, the sum of the angle is 360 degree for the quadrilateral. So here 50, 130, 120 plus 6. 50 plus 130 plus 120 and plus x equal to 360 degree, because since sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree, since sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now when we are adding this 130 plus 120, 250 plus 50, 250 plus 50, 300. 300 plus x equal to 360. When we transposing this 300 this side, 360 here plus 300 becomes minus 300, that's equal to 60 degree. Okay, we get 60 degree, that is x equal to 60 degree. Now B sum, this is 180 degree, this is 180 degree, but given here 90 degree. This is x, 70 and 60. We know that here 90 means here also 90, because this is 180 degree. This is full 180 degree. Okay. So sum of the angles of the quadrilateral, we are having 360 degree. So x plus 9, here x 17, 16, here 90 degree, that's equal to 360 degree. When we are adding this, here 60 plus 90, 150, 150 plus 70, 220, x plus 220, that's equal to 360. Therefore x equal to, we can transpose this 220 in the right hand side, plus becomes minus 220. We will get 360, 220 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So we get 140. We get 140. That is x equal to 140 degree. Next. Here in this quadrilateral also sum of the here pentagon. In the C sum having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. 5 sides means we know that sum of the angles is 5 minus 2 into 360, that's equal to 180. 3 into 180, that's equal to 180 into 3 into 180, that is 3 into 180, we can calculate 0, 8 3 are 24 to 540, that is 540 degree. 3 into 180, 540 degree. When we are adding this, here I told you know this is 180 degree. This is 180 degree. So when we are adding this, here 180 minus 70, this one. Here 180 minus 60, this one the angle. So when adding this, 30 plus x plus 180 minus 60, here 180 minus 70 plus another one x, that's equal to 540. Adding these 5 angles, we get 540. First 30, here 2x here. So 30 plus 2x, 180 minus 60, 120. 180 minus 70, 110. That's equal to 540. When we are adding these angles, 30 plus 120, 150, 110, adding 260, we will get 2x plus 260 equal to 540. When we transposing this 260 in the right hand side, 2x equal to 540 minus 260 plus 260 becomes minus 260. Then 540 minus 260, we will get 280. That is 540, 260, 0, 4, 8, 5, 4. So 280. So 280 we will get. 2x equal to 280. Therefore x equal to 280, here 2x means 2 into x. When we transposing this right hand side, divided by 2, that's equal to 140. So x equal to 140 is the answer. 140 degree. Okay. D sum. Here given that sides are same, equal, sides are equal and angles are also equal. If we draw like this, okay, these are sides are equal and angles are also equal. So 5 sides here having in this figure. So these are all x. Okay, so x plus x plus x plus x, 1 2 3 4 5x, that's equal to 5 minus 5x equal to 540. Therefore x equal to 540 divided by 5. 540 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 0, 4, 4 not goes, so 0, 8s are. So 108 degree. We will get 108 degree. X equal to 108 degree. Okay, this is the answer. 7. Question number 7. Given the diagram in the book, find x, y, z. That is outer angle for the triangle. This is 90 degree. Here x. This is 30. This is z. This is y. Okay, we don't know the angle. Now I have told in the sum of the angles is 180 degree. Sum of the triangle is 180 degree. First, here outer angle is, at the same time we know that sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360. We have to get 360. Okay, sum of the measures of the exterior angles, not interior. Exterior angles of a polygon is 360. Now, here by angle sum property we know that is 180 degree. Triangle that is equal to 360 outer angle. First 180, I have told you know this is 180. Suppose this is 30 means this is 180 minus 30 is 180. Here first sum of the angles of the exterior angles we have to find. 180 minus x plus here 180 minus z, here 180 minus y. That is sum of the exterior angles is, we know that already 360. We have to find 360. Now sum of the interior angle is 180. That is 180. Here 180 plus 180 plus 180. Here minus x minus z minus y. That is x plus y plus z. That's equal to 180. We can transpose this x, y, z in this side. We can transpose this x, y, z in this side. 180 plus 180, 360. Here 180. We can transpose this 180 in this side. 180. That's equal to minus x plus y plus z becomes in this, when we transposing this x plus y plus z becomes x plus y plus z. Okay, minus becomes plus. Now we can 180 0, 360 equal to x plus y plus z. That is x plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. X plus y plus z is 360 degree. Okay. Now B sum. Here given that angle 80, y, head is w, that is 120, here x. We have to find x, y, z, w. X plus y plus z plus w. Same, that is we have to do same this sum like this. In the quadrilateral we have to do. We know that sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree and quadrilateral having two triangles. So here 360 degree, 2 into 180, quadrilateral means 2 into 180, 360 degree. Okay. Here this is 180. 180 minus 60, that is z. Okay. So 180 minus first x here. 180 minus x plus 180 minus y 180 minus z plus 180 minus w, that's equal to 360 degree. Here 180, 180, 180. So 180 plus 180, 360. Another 180 plus 180, 360. Here minus x minus y minus z minus w. That's equal to 360. We can take this x, y, z, w in the right hand side and 360 transpose in the left hand side. 360 plus 360, we can transpose this 360 in the left hand side, and x, y, z, w we can transpose in the right hand side. X plus y plus z plus w. Now 360 minus 360, 0. Now only one 360 we have. 360, that is x plus y plus z plus w. That is x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degree.